What's going on, everyone? It's Lee here at 6 a.m. Welcome to the vlog. What's up for today? I'm going to the 40x40. I'm finishing the stage and I'm putting up a backdrop because it was a mud pit. I was hoping that it would dry a little bit by today. So someone was asking in my last video, where do you get a 40-foot gutter from? Well, we've got lots of places around here, special event sales and Warner Shelter Systems. And you say you can't get them in your area, get them shipped to you. This is a 40-foot gutter, and this gutter is actually from Warner Shelter Systems, and this tent is from special event sales. So they actually do convert. So that's how it goes. It hangs on the cross wire there, but additionally it has little Velcro straps that keep it up a little bit more high. It Velcros into the wall system here, so when you get it, make sure that the Velcros are facing the right way, otherwise you have to build Velcro adapters. See here, there's two 20x40 tents put together, and this is what a gutter looks in between them. So you can see it just covers it. The rain goes between them. I leave 6 inches between each tent, and that's great. We leave about 6 inches between each tent so that they don't rub up here. They're staked in at the legs, and the gutter's attached to the walls, and then they spout out. So it's all covered inside and out. Okay, see the stage here? I put the male piece out and the male piece out, and I keep it the same way as I build it. I start with this row, then I start the next row, then I start the next row. Pretty simple stuff. Since we're in the middle of a mud pit here, I've got the drape hanging like that. The event's not till tomorrow. Usually you put about 5 drapes in each 10-foot section because that makes it the most gathered, the most drapey looking. I just leave the chairs here on top of the carts. They'll stack them back on the carts for pickup. The tables here, customer setup, I set up the stage. I charge $20 per panel to set up the stage, and this is what it looks like setting up. Yeah, so this is the 40x40 tent, and this gig was worth almost $7 grand. I know I said 10 the other day because I had concrete weights on it, and we didn't end up needing them. We ended up staking down. So this is the 40x40, and now I'm off to the shop to get the two 20x20s ready. So, all in all, not a bad day. Made roughly $3,500, which was nice. That's a nice little chunk of change for a Wednesday. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, check out yesterday's vlog, and then tomorrow, check out tomorrow's vlog, where it'll be just me and my wife at the shop. As always, you stay classy. We'll see you on tomorrow.